everybody. It's Chelsea with RTW Discoveries, and today we are staying at the Cosmopolitan Hotel and Casino. I personally love this hotel, and today we're going to do a tour. We're going to do a tour of the one bedroom terrace suite with fountain view. So stay tuned if you want to see more. I love this check-in area. It looks so mysterious. Most people know the Cosmopolitan for the gigantic centerpiece. They have this large chandelier, they have the chandelier bar, and you can see this chandelier all throughout the entire hotel. Let's go ahead and take a look at the one bedroom terrace suite fountain view. So as soon as you come through the door, of course, you're going to start off in the living room. You have this beautiful wallpaper with the lady there just, glancing at you. So it's always a good reminder that someone's watching. Across from the sofa, of course, you have your TV, followed by the pandemic care package you get at all hotels. You have your ice bucket. Go ahead and fill that up for your drinks. And you also have your tablet that you can use for all of the lighting. Now, this area is censored, so make sure before you pick things up that you really want it because you will be charged for it. Let's take our attention to the dressing area. This is where you have the bench where you can put your luggage or just sit down while putting on your clothes. You also have that full length mirror. In the closet, you do get two slippers. You also get two robes, so that's awesome to have. Now let's go ahead and go into the bathroom. You do get your his and hers sink as well as his and hers mirrors. And I gotta say, the lighting was everything I needed. You also get your soaps and your hand sanitizer, some face towels, and storage area for like a hair dryer and things like that. Behind these doors towards the right, you have the wallpaper, which is beautiful. And this is going to be your private toilet area. Now, if I'm being honest with you, this is the reason I booked this personal suite because it has this wonderful shower bath area. Now, of course, they do provide you with toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, and soap. This Japanese soaking tub was everything I needed for a relaxing vacation. And then to top it all off, you get this fabulous view of the Bellagio fountains. This is just perfect. You also get a view from the bedroom. Of course, they have curtains for you to put down, but you're able to get to the tub from the bedroom or from the bathroom. Just to fast forward a little bit, I did go ahead and throw in a bath bomb late at night so I can have a relaxing evening just sitting in this soaking tub, also looking at the wonderful night view of the Las Vegas Strip. So I hope you enjoy this little clip. Okay, back to the tour. We're gonna make our way to the bedroom. Now, this is the most comfortable bed I have stayed in. That bed was just everything I needed. Now, keep in mind, I said this is a one bedroom suite, so you're able to close the pocket doors and have all the privacy you need. Now, come on, let's get to this view. Now up here, of course, you're gonna have some furniture. So you have this little area. You also have this area and an ashtray for those of you who do smoke. Check out this view at night. It is beautiful. Well, everyone, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and also check out this other video. Bye.